Hi guys, welcome to M classes. In this tutorial we will see how we can get data from a database in case of entity framework, or how we can perform a remove operation in case of entity framework. First we will see the changes that I have made in the UI. We have added three things: one delete button, one show all button, and one grid view. Now the details of the code we can see in the debug mode. First we will run this project. Now you can see that there are two more things that you can see in the UI in this tutorial. One is delete button and one is show all button. When we click on this button show all, then you can see that I have created one more method on this button click. That method is going to place a request to this show bell method present in the bell class. And what this method will do, this method will simply place a request to the del. And now in case of del, if we have to get a class record, so what we will do, we simply call the toList method of context class that will make a list of all the objects and return to us. And here the result is returned from the del to bell, and now this result is going to be passed to our UI. Now here you can see that this list variable contain the list of information that we have in our database. And now you can see the code is successfully executed, and now we were getting all the records that we have in our database. We have 3 records, and now we can get all those records in our UI part. Now I'm going to show you how we can perform delete operation in case of entity framework. So I'm going to perform the delete operation on the basis of email. So when we click this button delete, then again it will call a method in the bell called delete bell. And what this method will do, this method will again place a request in the del. And in the del we have written one method called delete del. What it will do, it will simply call the remove method of context class. As I have already tell you in my first tutorial, that context class is the class that is responsible to perform any operation on a database, whether we want to add an element, whenever we want to remove an element, or whether we want to get the element. So here first we were getting this list by calling the toList method. As I already tell you that toList method will always make a collection of object and return to us. And when this context.saveChanges method is executed, then the record is successfully deleted. This alert will show that the entity is deleted successfully. Now you can see by again clicking on this show all method, that there were only 2 records in the database. Even you can check in the database that there were only 2 records left. Thank you for watching.